Hi there, it's me, Gamer Tyler here. I'm recapping Naruto recap review chapter 61 through 65. Please subscribe, watch fully, and send donations. Thanks. Let's get started. Chapter 61. Because they needed another scroll, and because Kabuto was alone, Sasuke believes that defeating him would be their best chance to finish the second phase. Since Sasuke paid him a courtesy by explaining this instead of outright attacking him. Kabuto offers an alternative. He explains that other teams are just now heading for the building in the center of the forest of death, with a false sense of security and tired after 4 days in the forest. Thus, if Sasuke and his team waits near the building, they may be able to take a scroll from one of the opposing teams. Kabuto accompanies them to the building and finds that they are trapped in a genjutsu. Victims of another team with the same idea. I give the chapter 4.7 out of 5. Chapter 62. Team Oboro surrounds Team 7 and Kabuto with their mist clones. Although the clones are apparently able to attack the enemies, all counterattacks pass through them. With the Sharingan, Sasuke realizes that the clones are only an illusion and thus are actually able to attack. The hiding members of Team Oboro merely sympathizing with their own attacks with the clones, intending to make the battle of clones. Naruto creates a group of shadow clones that fight the mist clones throughout the night. Later that morning, when Team 7 and Kabuto appear exhausted, then Team Oboro reveals themselves so that they can take a scroll. The real Sasuke and Sakura and Kabuto, they confront them, having switched places with the disguised shadow clones during the night so that they could rest. I give this chapter 4.7 out of 5 stars. Chapter 63, Surrounded. Team Oboro creates haze clones to try and avoid attack, while Team 7 is preoccupied with determining where the real members of Team Oboro are. Team Oboro tries to finish him off. Kabuto is badly injured while protecting Naruto. He creates an opening for Naruto to defeat Team Oboro. Team 7 takes the scroll they needed and goes to the exam destination point. Kabuto regroups with them and they part ways. Team 7 entering the building through a different door. Kabuto's team reports to Orochimaru on Sasuke's development, and Kabuto effortlessly heals his injuries. Team 7, having passed, are instructed to finally open the two scrolls. I'll give this chapter 4.6 out of 5 stars. Chapter 64. Team Kakashi opens their Heaven and Earth scrolls, and Urika Umino is summoned. He informs them that this test was to determine if they could perform their mission correctly. He then goes to tell them that the motto of the Chunin written by the Hokage decides to continue on with the third stage of the exam despite the appearance of Orochimaru. I give this chapter 4.6 out of 5 stars. Chapter 65. The seven remaining Guinea teams line up to be briefed on the final test. The Hokage goes on to explain the true reason behind different countries taking the exam together. It appears to tell the group that primarily the third stage test in order to cut down numbers even further. Kabuto explains Ban's exam. I give this chapter 4.7 out of 5 stars. Please subscribe, help reach 1,000 plus subscribers. Watching fully helps increase the watch hours, plus. Send donations to the Patreon page at Animatar Space Tunes, starting at $2 a month. Have a blessed day. See you next video visit. But for now, bye!